Hello friends, today I am now going to discuss a very important formula on vector parallelogram law. Now let's discuss. Now let us consider this is the wall. I am going to consider this parallelogram law to divide 4 lectures or 2-3 lectures. Okay, let us consider this is a wall. This is a wall. Now this is a person, okay, standing here. He or she is giving force here, force in this direction, F1, in this direction, along this. But he can't shake this wall automatically. Now he is trying to give the force this wall along this direction. This is let F2. In this direction he or she is giving F1 force, and in this direction he or she is giving F1 force. So can we talk about the net force in which direction? Is the net force is in this direction, or is this along in this direction? How can we calculate? For calculating such things, there is a law named vector parallelogram law. First, consider the free body diagram of that force direction. This is F1 force that the person was giving in this direction, and this is the F2 force that the person was giving in this direction. Consider these two force direction considered as an adjacent side of parallelogram. Means consider these two force direction an adjacent side of a parallelogram. Means what I am trying to say, you have to obtain the net force. Then how you will obtain this? So consider these two force direction to adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Okay, consider. Now parallel to these sides, there will be another side in this direction, and parallel to these sides there will be another side in this direction. I am giving these sides name as A, B, C, D. So what will be the net force? So the parallelogram law tells that the net force will be along this diagonal. This diagonal is known as F net force. So this is the introduction to the parallelogram law. So how we will measure this net force? If the angle between these two force is theta, then F net will be root over F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta. This is the formula. How can we obtain another more important concept? I will discuss about parallelogram law in my next lecture. Thank you.